Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today we are going to show you if logical function. So it's very useful in Excel to use formulas and applying if condition. So here I'm going to show you one example here. So this is our name and this is ID and this is our criteria. So we will choose here true or false or 1 or 0. So for that we are using if condition, if and then bracket and then if logical test will with this comma, if this equal be ed, then we will show 1 or true or false, or its users I will choose 1 or 0. Then if I close this, you can see here, then 1 sorry, I have to put it equal to, then you can see here it's 1. If ed equal to this equal to ed, then it will show 1, otherwise 0. And if I drag this all, then you can see here, fred is not equal to ed, then it is showing false statement. So for easy I will do cut this, delete this and put a criteria of this here, and I will choose here by F4 by dollar sign, this middle sign, and then I'll drag it all here. You can see all 0 because it is blank. So whenever I will do here, you can see the changes here. And if I do here Fred, then you can see here the if condition is applying here. And if I will change here, suppose ZED, then you can see here in ZED it will be 1 and others will be 0. So this is one good, very useful logical function in Excel. So you can use and apply this statement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will be helped by this video. Thank you.